All right, welcome back. Well, I was in San Diego on work. I went to Balboa Park and they were trimming some jade plants, and there were succulent cuttings laying all over the ground, these ones. So I picked a bunch of them up because I love Balboa Park and I wanted to bring a piece of it home with me. I know you're not supposed to. They were going to throw them away anyways. So grab some. I'm going to pot them up. I'm going to grow some Balboa Park cuttings. All right. The mix I'm using here is mostly sand with perlite and a little bit of peat moss. Because I gotta have some organic matter in there. I want to drain well. Let's save a little bit of that in case I want. Put some in some different ones. Put some water in these. Water runs right through. It's my handy stick. Should I use rooting hormone? I don't know. Might for some of them. And these are really weird shaped. The light is odd today. But I don't know if I should root it like that. Or if I want that thickness. I want stuff to grow out of there, but will it root that shallow, or should I cut it and root that? I think I'm going to try and root that. I know I want that to root. These have been sitting out for days. This one, I don't know if I need that many branches on it. I need to cut some of these off. This bottom one. These need oil. Then I have another cutting. Can these be trained? Oh, I bet they can. I think I'm gonna leave this big and just how it is. Oh, that's broke. I don't know how that'll do. Let's leave it how it is. See how it does. First, these are basically leaves. I'm gonna put them all in one. And this one. This one's not really leaves, and I don't even know if that one will do it, but we're gonna stick it in there. This one's tiny. Just narrow into the stick. Some of the leaves I'm going to bury, I think. Some of them I'm just going to lay right on top. See how they do. Yeah, my environment isn't really a succulent environment, and I don't really have many other succulents other than those free ones I'm trying to grow currently. Yeah. But these are nostalgic for me. I grew up in Southern California as a young boy, and Balboa Park was where we were always at when I was a kid. It was a free thing we could do, and we would go there and feed the birds, and my dad would take pictures, climb on the trees back when you could do that kind of stuff. You can't do that stuff anymore. There's a big giant fig tree there, Moreton Bay fig tree. You used to be able to climb on when I was a kid. It was like a jungle gym. You can't anymore. It's probably a good thing. It'd probably be dead if they still let you do it. But anyways, that's why I'm doing this. The nostalgia of Southern California, where these plants came from. All right, they're all in there. We've got this one that is just a bunch of leaves and a couple of small cuttings. These ones are a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. This one's pretty thick. Pretty cool. So, all right. That's it. I'll update you on how they root, how they grow.